Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Can you add your YouTrip card to Google Wallet? I know that a lot of people are interested in using their YouTrip cards with Google Wallet, and I'm here to tell you that the answer is yes. You can definitely add your YouTrip card to Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your YouTrip card to Google Wallet, and I'll also talk about some of the benefits of using Google Wallet with your YouTrip card. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about what YouTrip and Google Wallet are. YouTrip is a travel card that allows you to get the best exchange rates when you're traveling abroad. You can use your YouTrip card to make purchases in foreign currencies, and you can also withdraw cash from ATMs. Google Wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store your credit cards, debit cards, and loyalty cards in one place. You can use Google Wallet to make payments in stores, online, and over the phone. Now that we know what YouTrip and Google Wallet are, let's get started with adding your YouTrip card to Google Wallet. Here are the steps you need to follow. Open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Tap on the Add Card button. Select Credit or Debit Card. Enter your YouTrip card information. Tap on the Next button. Enter your YouTrip card security code. Tap on the Next button. Your YouTrip card will be added to Google Wallet. Once you've added your YouTrip card to Google Wallet, you can start using it to make payments. You can use Google Wallet to pay for things in stores, online, and over the phone. Here are some of the benefits of using Google Wallet with your YouTrip card. You can easily keep track of your travel expenses. You can get the best exchange rates when you're traveling abroad. You can use Google Pay to make contactless payments. You can use Google Assistant to find nearby ATMs and restaurants. With that said, thanks for watching.